mo na mig paniod to another going to another forest, Yishun Forest. So kaning isa na sa likod nako, murag na sobraan ra ni siya og kabusog. Lahi ni sa mabusog kay maluyahan. Handumanan. Oh, I saw a squirrel. Okay. Ano ta inside sa forest, guys. So, inani lugar ni siya. Magsulod og forest, naka sunglasses. O, di ba? Wearing sunglasses inside the forest. Oh, very unique. Charot. So, this is Yishun Forest. You can take me one pic, okay? Yeah, just one only. Previously, this is the toilet and the well. So, nani siya house before. Oh, sa diya. Ang nabili niya is wall na lang. So, this is the wall. Muna siya nabilin. So, that's it. Inside the Yishun Forest. So, inside the forest, guys, makikita natin yung ito yung mga para sa mga nagbibisikleta. So, they go up and down to this platform. Yan. So, ito yung tambayan nila. Sila yung gumawa nito. So, this is their equipment. Yan. Okay. So, let's go for some more. Oh, it's a butterfly there. Hold on. Uy, dako kayo. Tabi, apo, parabi. Dako kayong kawayan dito sa unahan, oh. Shane! So, we go further and deep inside the forest. We're going to look for the water tank. So, let's go. It's a two big water tank inside the forest. So, nice kay mong hiking karon nga time kay init kay siya, but not so init inside the forest kay daghan man siya og trees, di ba? So, sorry kaya kay magbinisaya, magtinagalog, mag-in-English ta. Sa nakasabot, mas maayo. Sa naka-enchende, mas mabuti. So, yan. Nakita nyo yan? Yan ang water tank. Ang laki. So, lapit tayo. Uy. Uy. Isa? Oh. Ayan. Ang laki. Sabi yan. Ito yung isa. So, remember my childhood, it looks like the Dario Beach. Oh, there's an altar. So, they say it's a place where they're going to wait for their durian. So I do not know where's the durian tree here. Okay, so in that particular place over there, so there's a durian tree there. So if you are going to buy from here, then you're going to wait in this place. So this is the place where they're going to wait. Oh. So scary. The dog bark. So dito na kami, guys. Ayan, may saging pa. Nanawag na gid ang ero, guys. Oh. So like a kampong house.